Hi everyone! You on the channel MLA Automation, and today we have another lesson where we're going to talk about the Docker image. So let me make some short introduction about what we're going to speak. In a few words, we're going to get back to the previous lessons and to speak about the Docker and Dockerfile. After those, we're going to go forward and to speak about the Docker image. What is Docker image? How to pull image from the Docker Hub, how to make it running as a container on their virtual machine, on the Docker platform. We're going to take a look on the few commands, basic commands, which is related to the Docker image, and this is going to be the end of the current lesson. So let's start it. Don't forget please to subscribe to the channel, to click on the bell and on the like button if you like those videos. If you don't like, please leave a comment what you would like to see, or what adjustments would be better for this series of video related to the Docker. And it's definitely going to be considerate and to make possible to implement, to inject them to the next portion of the lessons to play in the playlist of Docker. So as we spoke on the previous lessons about the Docker, what is Docker? Docker is basically open platform for developing, shipping and running applications. Docker enables you to separate applications from infrastructure and make possible to deliver software quickly, especially when somebody is working in the team, or it's different departments working on the same project. It's very helpful, and it's quite popular in the many companies. What is Dockerfile? Dockerfiles are text documents that allow you to build custom images for Docker. Conclusion mean that the Docker is essentially need to prepare instructions for building any images. Okay, so now the more information once more on related to these topics already on the channel, and they in the playlist Docker on different videos. So please check it and leave a comment what you think, and what will be better to extend or remove something. Everything please leave in a comment. Comments is checking during the day and trying to publish the answer when I have a few minutes free time from my main work. So going forward, what is Docker image? Docker image is a read-only template that contains a set of instructions for creating a container that can run on the Docker platform. It provides a convenient way to package up applications and preconfigured server environments, which you can use for your own private use, on the Docker registry, or share publicly with the Docker users on Docker Hub. Okay, so how to pull image from the Docker Hub? We know that there is a main site and Docker, where is a lot of information, and also there is a Docker Hub, where possible to find different images from the guys who is worked before, and they share this information publicly. And I'm already on this page, on the Docker Hub, and if you take a look, you're going to see that there is an image of Composer. It's a quite popular package for dependency manager writing in and for PHP, especially when there is a huge project on PHP, when there is a different technology such as like Laravel and a lot of different packages involved in this process. Composer can be quite helpful. He allows to create clear structure and to easy manage all those packages. So we have this image, and we as we spoke before, I'm working from my main operation system, which is Windows 10, and also there is a virtual machine Ubuntu, and we're going to work on Docker image from this environment Ubuntu, and the Docker is already up to date, and we're just going to type Docker pull and to mention the Composer. Let's quickly check what it says there. Okay, so we on the main page, and we checking that the previous version is 2.08, and there is links on the main website of Composer, and there is information what is Composer, and okay, so we have the running. We have a command which is showing us how to use Composer as an image. Simply as follows: use this command. Okay, so we're going to use it. Let's check. We're going back to terminal, and we placing this command. And let's run it. Enable to find the locally Composer. Okay, so he is found that Composer is not installed before, and he is pulling all the packages related to this image. And we see that the process going quite well. That the internet connection is stable, and for the loading everything fine. It's good news, and we're almost there. Rocking, and almost there. Okay, so we download newer image for Composer last. Composer couldn't find the Composer JSON file in the application. Let's check less. Okay, less. Okay, so let's check if Composer is here. Not found. Okay, is not found. Okay, he's installed this. Let's check the Docker images. Okay, so we have Composer last version 5 days ago. Okay, and let's check Docker container PS. Docker. What I'm doing right now, I'm checking what container is running right now, and definitely it's showing that there is no running containers. Okay, so next I'm just quickly checking what else is there, and permissions, private permission. By default, Composer runs as a root inside the container. Okay, private repositories. So using this command, we installed Composer, and we stopped the container. This attribute is help us. So checking this command, we after installation he just stopped, and that's why we didn't solve it when we typed Docker PS. Now let's check it, and we see that the Composer is running, and it's a minute ago. It's very, very good news, and this means that okay, so now we see that let's go back to and rewind those that we spoke. So when we making a Docker pull and the composer, it's takes those image and pull it to the Docker client Docker. When we using this command next, just move. Yes. When we using this command docker run, and we saying please when you install inside the container this command application in the folder, when you basically what it says, run the container and the volume connect the host machine, I mean those which is Ubuntu. I'm this host machine desktop dash 9G, and then goes the full name. Please connect host machine with the application folder on the container, inside the container, and use and make composer install. It means that install composer all files to this folder on the Docker, inside the Docker container, and connect to the folder which we were there. It's let me check, VVD. And connect the home and this folder with the application inside the container. Okay, now we understood this part, and we ready to go forward in moving forward in the terms of Docker image. There is base images as which base, I mean, my apologies, there is a basic commands which is quite often using inside the Docker infrastructure. First one is goes Docker images. It shows all images. Let's type Docker images, and we see that there is all images. Okay, this confirmed. And now create image from Dockerfile. Docker build. In previous video we already used this command when we talked about the Dockerfile, and this command basically prepares image from the Dockerfile. Let's check once more. We are in this folder logo. Now let's go to Dockerfiles, and then we are ready to use the Docker build, and type. In this folder we already have check. We already have Dockerfile, so we can just type Docker build and mention the folder where we have this file, and we see that those core instructions inside the Dockerfile has been executed, and we have interactive information about all of them. Yes. Okay, next command is going to be docker rmi, removes an image. Let's check this command. Docker rmi. Okay, so it force remove. Okay, let's check we have a demo image, which is the MLI image, and we MLI image. Let's see, no such. Why it's not showing? It's supposed to be. We have this image. Okay, so we need to let's use another way. Error. Okay, so we need to use the tag. I mean dash tab, and this image has been deleted. And we don't have this image. Okay, so let's use again the another one. This one. And that format expected name value. I see. We need to use Verify. Okay, yes. So we removed this image, hello world, and we used the image ID for this case, and going back, saves image, we use and going to take a look another command, which is docker save, saves an image to tar archive stream to with all parents, layers, tags and versions. Let's check once more. Write to file, example docker save easy box. This. Okay, let's check what images we have. We can use docker image docker 0101 tutorial. This one docker save. I'm going to click on this one. We save this image to the archive, and let's see. And we have this archive is in the folder. Okay, so we can remove docker tar. Let's check install this file. Okay, so we check now. Now we're going back to docker save. So docker save is checked, and yes, this is we're almost done with the docker images. Please take a look and leave your comments about this video, what you think, what improvements can be done, and I appreciate your all attention and your time. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe and click on the bell icon to get new videos updates. Have a great and beautiful day. Bye bye.